I am back again, and it is coming down much harder. Winds have shifted. See how the rain is coming down harder now as compared to my last video. You can see the street there with some ponding of water. Up the street you can see the waves of water just skirting the road. Here comes one of the heavier downpours right here. Look at that. And now the sky is just opening up. This is one of the heavier rain bands that is moving through the area of southeast Virginia, right through Virginia Beach right now. The rain rates are really getting intense. See the street, all that water collecting. Just really coming down hard now. The sky is just a solid dull gray sheet. Sitting at just about a half an inch now as we approach 3:30 Eastern time. If rain continued at this rate for a while, we'd definitely see some flooding and flood-prone areas across southeast Virginia. I'll be back in a bit with another update.